Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Among Us candy cane skin. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with this, I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go out. It's going to curve around and then come right to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that just goes down and then connects to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up really tall, and then it's going to come back down to here. Next, I'm going to curve this in, and I'm going to bring it up to about here. Now, I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to jump over here really quickly, and I'm going to make a line that goes down and then over for part of the leg and foot. I'm going to make a line that goes up and then another one that goes over. I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and then I'm going to bring it up like this. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down, and then it's going to come over for the backpack. Now, we want to add some stripes onto here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make some little curved lines right at an angle. I'm going to start the next one up here, and I'm just going to go down. So I'm going to start here, just jump over everything, and I'm just going to go down. Now, as I come up here, I'm going to slowly start to curl it around, like that. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines right onto here. And there you go. There is your candy cane Among Us skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.